Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good, I'm great, I'm wonderful. Hello, friends. Today we are in the jungle and we're gonna learn about baby animals. Story time. Today's book is What Baby Animals Are Called by Lisa Charlesworth. Polar bears. Here is a polar bear and her baby. A baby polar bear is called a cub. Growl, growl. Penguins. Here is a penguin and her baby. A baby penguin is called a chick. Honk, honk. Dolphins. Here is a dolphin and her baby. A baby dolphin is called a calf. Squeak, squeak. Zebras. Here is a zebra and her baby. A baby zebra is called a foal. Yip, yip. Wolves. Here is a wolf and her baby. A baby wolf is called a pup. Ooh, ooh. Kangaroos. Here is a kangaroo and her baby. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. Bark, bark. People. Here is a person and her baby. A baby person is called an infant. Goo goo. The end. Now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye. See you here next time.